Transfer tutorial, take 3. Hi everyone, welcome to the 4th week of the UC Chemicals weekly tutorial series. I want to show you something different today. I'm going to show a transfer of a chemical container from one inventory to another. You might need to do this if you're, for example, giving away a chemical to a different lab, or perhaps moving your lab to a new location and you want to transfer the items from one particular location, your old location, to a new one. So just want to remind you before we start that all of these tutorials can be found on our website at ehs.ucla.edu in the chemical inventory section of the website. All right, so the very first thing you want to do, of course, is to log into UC Chemicals and find yourself at your front page here. I'm in Jack's chemistry inventory. This is going to be the inventory from which I'm transferring the chemical. So the first thing I can do is I can go down to search chemicals. I can click search chemicals, and then I can see a list of all of those items that are in my inventory. Now it looks like I have some chloroform here that I want to transfer to my new lab. So I'm going to click the chloroform. I'm going to scroll down and I see the multiple containers. I'm going to select the first one and go to these vertical dots on the right. This gives me the option to select the transfer function. I select that, and then this transfer queue shows up on the right. I'll confirm that I want to transfer, and then I go to the transfer summary page. At this page, I can select the inventory to which I want to transfer the container. This one will be the Joe Bruin group. And now I can confirm the transfer. Now it sends me to this page where I have both an incoming and an outgoing queue. In the outgoing queue is the item I attempted to transfer. So that is all I'd have to do on the front end to transfer the chemical. However, the person receiving the chemical will have to go to their inventory, which I will do now. Select Joe Bruin group. And we can pretend like either I'm another lab or I'm the same person trying to transfer it from one lab that I'm in to another lab that I'm in. So Joe Bruin group will receive this transfer by going down to the pending transfers button, clicking that, and seeing in their incoming queue, there's the chloroform that was just transferred from the chemical inventory. I can select the chloroform, select a location for it to go. I'm going to move it to Strathmore Building Room 410, and then accept the transfer. It now shows no more incoming containers, and if I go to the search chemicals function to see my list of chemicals, there's the chloroform ready to go in my inventory. So you could do this for one item, you can do it for multiple items if you just continue to add them to the queue, and the receiving lab can accept them as needed once they arrive in their actual physical location. So that's about it for transferring of chemicals this week. I hope you enjoyed this particular tutorial, and we hope to see you again next week for the 5th installment. Thank you and goodbye.